Good morning all of you. I am Rajiya Pathan from Gyanmanjari Vidyapith standard 5th. So students, today we will start revision unit number 5th in that properties of fractions. What was the properties of the fractions? 2 divided by 1, 2 divided by 2. Property number 1, every number is of factors of itself. कोई भी नंबर से वो खुद का एक कोई भी नंबर्स है, एवरी नंबर इज अ फैक्टर्स ऑफ इटसेल्फ, वो खुद का एक फैक्टर्स है. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 डिवाइड बाई 2, 2 डिवाइड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 1, 2 डिवाइड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 1. सो 2 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2, 2 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, 15 डिवाइड बाई 15 इज इक्वल टू 1, 15 डिवाइड बाई 15 इज इक्वल टू 1. 15 is a factor of 15, 15 is a factor of 15. Now next one, 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0, 2 is a factor of 0, 2 is a factor of 0. Then next one is 0 divided by 10, so 10 is a factor of 0, 10 is a factor of 0. Okay, then property is number 3rd, the smallest factor of a number is 1, smallest factor of the number is 1 and the greatest factor is a number itself. smallest number से वो 1 है और greatest number है factors का वो itself, वो खुद ही है. For example, factor of 4, 1, 2 and 4 is there. So in the smallest, 1 is the smallest factor, 1 है वो क्या है, स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर है, एंड 4 इज द ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर, 4 है वो क्या है, ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर्स है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर ऑफ अ नंबर्स इज 1 एंड ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर इज इटसेल्फ. सो इन दैट 27 फैक्टर्स आर 1, 3, 5, 9 and 27. 1 is the smallest factor and 27 is the greatest factor. Next one, factor of 6. So in that 2, 6, 3, 1, 6, 3 and 6. 6 has a 4 factors. 6 के कितने factors है? 4. A number has a limited factors. A number has a limited number of the factors. जिसके limited factors है. Then a number has a limited number of a factors. So in that 15. 1, 2, 5, 9, 25 and 50. So 15 has a limited number. 15 has a 6 factors. 15 has a 6 factor. Now factor of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. 8 has a 4 factor. 8 has a 4 factor. Then 23 is a 1 and 23. 23 has a 2 factor. 23 is a 2 factors. Okay. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students. So now we'll start worksheet number 8. In that worksheet, properties of factors, properties of factors. So in that, properties number 1, every number is a factors of itself. So when we divide 2 by 2, remainder is a 0, so 2 is a factor of 2. Already I tell this, right? Second one properties is every number is a factor of 0. कोई भी number से उसका factor से वो क्या होगा, 0 होगा. When we divide 0 by 2, remainder is equal to 0. So 2 is a factors of 0. 2 is a factors of 0. Similarity, 3 is a factors of 0. Now properties of 3. The smallest factors of number is 1 and the greatest factors of greatest is the number itself. So in that, factors of 4, 1, 2, 4. Factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 27, 1, 3, 9 and 27. So the smallest factors is always 1. Smallest factors is always 1. And the greatest factors is always the number itself. Greatest factors is always the number itself. Okay. Then property number 4. A number has a limited number of factors. A number has a limited number of the factors. So in this, factor of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 has a 4 factors. 6 के कितने factors है? 4 factors are there. Then factors of 15. Factors of 15 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 15 is there. So 15 has a 6 factor. 15 की कितने factors है? 6 factors are there. When we count the numbers of factors of number, any number, okay. Now property number 5th is every number has a minimum 2 factors. कोई भी numbers है उसके 2 factors तो होते ही है. So factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. It has a 4 factors. उसके कितने factors है? 4 factors. Number of 23 is a 1 and 23. It has a 2 factors. It has a 2 factors. Number of 100, that means 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 15, 100 is there. So it's a 9 factors. All numbers greater than 1 have 2 or more factors are there. So students, now you all are knowing properties of factors. There are the 5 properties. Okay. First one is every number is a factors itself. Second one is every number is the factors of 0. Properties number 3rd is the smallest factors of a number is a 1 and the greatest factor is the number itself. Properties number 4 is a number has a limited number of the factors. Property number 5th is every number has a minimum of the 2 factors. Got it? Now we'll start next worksheet. Worksheet number 9. Okay. Primary and composite number. So in that a prime number is a numbers that has only 2 factors. जिसके 2 factors होंगे उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? We'll say primary number. Prime number. What we said? Prime number. Those who are having only 2 factors, that called prime number. Okay. And a composite number is a number with more than 2 factors. जिससे 2 से ज्यादा factors होंगे उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Composite number. Okay. Composite number is that. So find the prime and composite number in the given number 3, 12, 17, 21 and 32. 3, 12, 17, 21 and 32. Okay, 3, 12, 17, 21 and 32. That means prime and composite number. So in that we have to follow step. Factor of 3. 1 and 3 is there, right? So here is a 2 factors are there. So this is a prime number. Correct? Factors of 12. So that number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 12 number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So this is a composite number because here is a factors is more than 2. 17 is there. So 70 is a 1 and 70 is there. So this one is a prime number. This is a prime number because of this is a prime number. Because why we are saying prime number? Because of here is a 2 factors only. Factors of 21. Factors of 21 is there. So 1, 3, 7 and 21. So this one is a composite number. Because of this is a factors. Because of this is a factors. Factors of 32. Factors of 32 is there. So in that 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 16 and 32. So this is a factors of composite number because of the more than 2 number is there. Okay. Now count how many factors are there. 3 has a 2 factors, 12 has a 6 factor, 7 is a 2 factor, 21 is a 4 factor and 32 is a 6 factor. So in that 3 has a 2 factors, 3 has a 2 factor, 17 has a 2 factor. 3 and 17 है उसके कितने factors है? 2 factors are there. 2 factors are there. So 3 and 17 are prime number. 3 and 70 है वो क्या है? What is the prime number is there? Otherwise it's a composite number. 12, 21 and 32 are composite number. जो 12, 31 and 21 and 32 है वो क्या है? Composite number. Now prime numbers from 1 to 20. 1 to 20 के prime number कौन से है? Which one is the prime number of 1 to 20? So in that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 17 and 19. Why this all are prime number? Because of in this number there is only two factors. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2 and 1 twos are 2. 3 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 1 threes are 3. 5 ones are 5, 1 fives are 5. Like that. So prime number from 1 to 20 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 17 and 19. Now 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. So in that any other even number has 2 as a factors in addition to 1 and numbers itself. So all even numbers other than 2 are composite number. Now write the correct number below in the correct column. Now here is a prime number and the composite number we have to find, right? So in the prime number, so in that prime number 19, 31 and 73. 73, this all are the prime number. Because 19 only two factors, 1 and 19. 31 is also having two factors, 1 and 31. And 73 is also one factors. Two factors are there, 1 and 17. Composite numbers 6, 26, 18, 54. So prime number is a 19, 31 and 73. Composite number is a 6, 26, 18 and 54. Got it? Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 10. In that worksheet, finding the prime factor of a number. So now the factors of numbers which are prime numbers are called prime factors. Okay, numbers which are prime number, जो prime numbers है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Prime factors. What we said? Prime factors. What we said? Prime factors. So in that step number 1, start with the smallest prime. Start with the smallest prime number. Okay. See if the numbers is divided by 2. If yes, create a 2 branches with 2 and the quotient. Okay. So 100 is the 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is the 100 by 2. So what we have to do? 100 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10 is there. 2 5s are 10. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. We'll bringing down 0. Division is not possible. So we'll put that 0 upper side. So 100. 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2. So we'll get answer is 100. We'll get answer is 100. Now step 2. When we divide 15 by 2, now again we'll check. Second numbers is divide by 2. जो ये हमारे पास second number है वो divide by 2 होता है. Yes. 25 2s are 15. 25 2s are 15. So in that 25 2s are 15 is there. Okay. Now again we have to draw 2 branches. 25 2s are we have to write. Take the second numbers, check it's divided by 2. If the yes, then branches again. It's not, then divisible. Check it is divided by 3. Divide by next prime number 3. Okay. Now अभी हमें क्या करना है? ये जो 25 है उसको हमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 2 के साथ कलेक्ट करना है, सिलेक्ट करना है. ये डिवाइड होता है या नहीं होता है? अगर नहीं होता है तो हम नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर है उसके साथ डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 के साथ भी डिवीजन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. but in that next prime number is 5. So we have to divide with the 5. 5 5s are 25. Now when we divide 5 by 2, quotient is 12, remainder is a 1. So we can check with the next prime number 3. When we divide by 3, quotient is 8, remainder is a 1. So we can check with the fifth. When we divide by 25 by 5, quotient is 5, remainder is 0. So we have to write 100. 15 2s are, 25 2s are, and 5 5s are, and 5 5s are. So all the numbers are now prime numbers. So we stop making branches. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे stop कर देंगे because all the numbers are divided by prime number. Now which one is a prime number? So 100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 2 5 5. So we have to write the answer 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. This is the correct answer. So now students, you all are knowing how to identify, how to write the prime number, how to find the prime number. Now what is your homework, students? Your homework is you have to learn properties of factors. What was the properties of the fractions? Okay, factors. Then next things you have to learn prime and composite number. Which one is the prime number, which is the composite number? That I'll repeat again. If the factors are having only if the numbers are having only two factors, so we'll say that if the numbers are having only two factors, so we'll say that is a प्राइम नंबर. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, अगर कोई नंबर है उसके 2 ही फैक्टर्स हो रहे हैं तो उसको हम प्राइम नंबर बोलेंगे. इफ द नंबर्स हैविंग मोर देन 2 नंबर्स, 2 नंबर से ज्यादा अगर किसी के फैक्टर्स है, सो एट दैट टाइम विल से टू दैट इज अ composite number. Got it? So now you all are knowing about the prime and composite number. Then prime numbers from 1 to 20 is there. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 17 and 19 is there. So in that this is a prime number. This all are prime number of 1 to 20. Now it's the only even prime number. 2 has a factors addition 1 and the numbers is self. So when we numbers is highest, 2 are composite number. 2 को हम composite number भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है. So you have to learn properties of the numbers. You have to write the worksheet number 9 and write worksheet number 10. Worksheet number 10, in that finding the prime factor of number, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, finding the prime factors of numbers. So this 3 worksheet you have to write in your rough book and send it to me before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, I hope so. You all are knowing what was the homework. You have to complete your homework and send it to me before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, bye. Have a nice day. Bye everyone.